Hi honeyhews. Today, we're talking about something that's often overlooked, but is so important for our overall beauty and well-being: lip care. Our lips are one of the most sensitive and exposed parts of our body, and they can easily become dry, chapped, and irritated. But with the right care and attention, we can keep our lips healthy, hydrated, and looking their best.
Confident and beautiful. So, don't forget to exfoliate and moisturize your lips regularly. Protect your lips from the sun and wind. Nourish your lips with healthy foods and drinks. Avoid licking or biting your lips by following these simple tips. You'll be